With a new day comes new strength and new thoughts. Welcome to our channel Plants, Crochet, Cooking and more. As I sip my morning tea, my mind has actually worked out on all the work that I need to be doing today. I have just 2 more days for the cake to be completed. My cousin will be coming today. So here we have started with our first preparation, that is baking of the cake. Here my cousin is ready with the preliminary step, that is cutting the butter paper or the parchment paper. There she is. Hi.
Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh. O'er the fields we go, laughing all the way.
Now she is going to start the baking.
Making spirit bright. What fun it is to laugh and sing a sleighing song tonight. Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh.
She is in full action. Let me not disturb her. Is this a 10-inch cake or 8 you're doing? 10.
I thought I'd take a ride into the shining bright.
Okay, you continue with this. I'll start off with my fondant work. No? Okay. So this is the place where I'm going to do my fondant work for the pure cake. And these are all my colors and the fondant. So as and by when I'll show you all this. Cake is just out of the oven, getting on to prepare the next cake. Butterscotch cake. I'm going to start with the frosting of the lowest tier. Next is the filling for this cake, the lowest tier. And on top of this I'm going to spread the butterscotch balls and a little bit of praline as well. Filling and stacking is complete. Now I'm going to do the frosting. Another tier is getting ready now. All the cakes have got their final coating of frosting, and I'm going to pop these into the fridge to set while I go to collect my daughter from school. So I'll just put this into the fridge and then I'll rush to school. It's not yet time, so the children are yet to come out from school. I thought I'm going to show you a little bit of the scenic beauty around the school. So I walked through one lane along with some of the other parents. They too thought of taking a stroll around. So here it is. That was the bamboo forest. It's not exactly a forest actually. And this is the garden, vegetable garden. Lush green leafy vegetables. This area is adjoining to the forest. Isn't it looking beautiful? Everything is organic here, and I believe they even sell these vegetables. The people nearby, they come and buy it from here. And this is one temple. So let me show you this temple. I believe this temple, this house and the temple belongs to a teacher who teaches in the school where my daughter studies. It's nearly time. Now we are going back to school, and then I'm going to collect my daughter and then reach home and start with the cake work again. We are finished with most of the decoration, and the remaining assembling part we are going to do it at the venue. So we are going to take the cakes in separate boxes and then assemble it there. Next we will show you when we reach there. So we have reached the spot. This is the Apollo Hotel. That's the banquet hall, I guess, where the party is going to be held. This is welcome to the first birthday. That's a board put outside. So here we are climbing up to the first floor, I guess. Wow, it's decorated so beautifully. The birthday boy is a big fan of Cocomelon. So let me start assembling the cake for him before he arrives. So the topper, I'll put it here, and the school bus and JJ. I think JJ will have to be put with some toothpicks. I'll get some toothpick first, and then it'll be easier to attach it. Okay, now let me put it inside slowly. Yes, okay, fine. This is set. And here goes the little piggy. No, I think so. The pink won't be going well, so I put it here. I've decided to put it on the blue tier, and the monkey I can put it against the pink background. Now the duck will go there. Some mushrooms are there, So I'll put some mushrooms here beside the ladybug, sorry. And yeah, I think I've nearly covered up everything. Let me just brush off the little bit of corn flour that may be stuck onto these fondant toppers. So here we are, it's completely done and we are happy about it.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear my friend. Happy birthday to you.
All our efforts were worth it after seeing this smile on the birthday boy's face. So cute, isn't it? So here we are returning after our work is done. It's getting late now. We have to reach home quickly. My daughter is accompanying me. End of a fruitful day. Hope to come back again very soon with yet another video. Till then, goodbye and stay safe and stay happy.